Hi, welcome to my channel Crafting with Devangana. Please like my video and comment too, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's start today's video. Today we are going to make a origami bracelet. You can say it a friendship band too. Okay, so let's start. For make this bracelet, we need two same size of paper. I have take two 6-inch cross 6-inch paper. One is green and another is orange. I will show you the orange paper later. So at first what we have to do, we have to divide this paper in same size of 8 pieces. Now as it is origami, you do not have to take any scale, pencil, compass or anything. You just have to fold it and you will get 8 same size of paper. Follow the process I am showing you. So we are going to finish it. It is the last one. Okay, now we have got the lines, and what we have to do, just cut it with scissor or knife or anything, and you have got 8 paper strips which are same size. Also you have to do the same thing with the orange paper also and get total 16 strips of paper. Now we are using each piece of paper to make the small origami bracelet unit, and then we combine these small pieces to get the whole thing. Okay, now we have 8 pieces of paper and fold it like this. We are going to make the small unit. Okay, watch it. Now what we have to do, divide the paper in two same parts and then fold it in this way, and the most important thing is that you have to leave a space between these two folds. See the picture, you can got a better idea. So this space will help you to fold the paper in this way without any problem. Do the same thing with all 8 pieces of paper. Okay, now here is the orange paper. I am showing you. In case if you would fold the paper in this way, this one is perfectly right, but in this way, this is not the correct way, because each paper have a small thickness, and that will be a big issue when you want to get 8 same size of paper. So please do not fold it previously, fold it this way. Okay, so I have this 16 small unit of our bracelet. Now we are going to combine these to get the whole thing. Okay, so watch it. We have to push the orange one in between the gap of the green one, and the open end is in this way. Now again took a green unit and make this like this way because you may have some trouble to push the green paper when you do the second time, third time and later on. But don't worry, you can do it. It is not so difficult. Okay, now we have 3 units combined together. Okay, now in this way you have to combine all the 16 units. I am showing you one more. If you have trouble to open the gap, then you can also use a knife or any other thing to clearly see the gap and push the paper into it. Okay, now I am adding all the 15 units and this one is my last unit. Last unit is special because we have to bind the whole thing together in a circular way. So follow the process. Open the paper and push it. So you get this type of design, and what you have to do, the first unit you have to push the orange last part into the first unit's gap, and then watch it, there is a small gap in green unit. You can find it when you do it and then push the orange paper in that. Okay, outside and inside also. Okay, now it's locked and you got a circular shaped band. Your origami band is ready. You can say it a bracelet, a friendship band also. Look how beautiful it is.